Hey, Fozzy here. Just wanted to let you know about the best kept secret at Harley-Davidson. There's a program called Custom Coverage. Anytime while your bike is still under the factory warranty, if you have genuine Harley-Davidson parts added to it by the service department, they will carry the same warranty as if they came on the bike from the factory. It's a good deal, because if something happens, if I sell you the part over the counter and something happens, it's 1 year over the counter. I replace the part. But if you get it on the custom coverage, if something happens, the service department replaces it and you don't pay for the labor. So you only pay that labor that first time, and after that, plus you get the bonus of it's definitely being installed correctly. So come on down, check it out. Anything you need for that bike, we can make it happen at Mike Bruno's Northshore Harley-Davidson.